When veterans talk about the brutal demands of heavy-duty off-roading, they naturally think of high-displacement, noisy turbo-diesel power plants. The consensus has always been that extreme terrain requires massive low-end mechanical torque that only internal combustion can reliably sustain over long, punishing hours. Electric trucks were pushed aside, written off as soft, lifestyle vehicles terrified of the deep wilderness because of heavy batteries and rapid power depletion under stress. But the global pickup arena is undergoing a massive, unyielding shift. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava. The brand new 2026 Changan Hunter K50 has entered the ring, and it is deliberately targeting the old guard. This isn't a standard, traditional hybrid that hesitates when the road ends. Changan has engineered a serious, mass-market range-extended EV Bakkie, deploying a radical mechanical strategy designed to completely rewrite how we calculate utility performance. The big question today, has the K50 truly evolved, or is this just clever marketing? Let's dissect the heavy math behind its latest electrical upgrade. To truly understand if the K50 has upgraded its DNA, we have to step away from the polished brochure and look directly at the battery architecture. The headline numbers are clear, but the real magic is hidden in the discharge physics. The 2026 Hunter K50 is equipped with a high-capacity lithium iron phosphate pack. But the real breakthrough is its 2C battery discharge rating, which allows the system to unleash a sustained, hard-hitting discharge power reaching a massive 33.3 kilowatts. Now, let's translate that from engineering jargon into raw trail performance. In standard electric vehicles, a lower discharge rate means that when the truck faces a sudden, high-load obstacle, like climbing an aggressive, rocky incline or pulling a heavy load out of thick mud, the battery cannot supply energy to the motors fast enough. It creates a bottleneck, leaving you stranded despite what the brochure promises. By unlocking a stable 33.3 kilowatts stream directly from the chemistry, Changan has effectively eliminated that hesitation. The power flow is instant, sustained, and completely unbothered by heavy thermal stress. This electrical power is routed through a highly sophisticated all-wheel drive dual-motor setup. The front and rear axles house independent permanent magnet synchronous motors, combining to pump out a formidable system output of 200 kilowatts of total power and an immediate 470 newton-meters of peak torque. But here is where Changan's unique REEV philosophy shines. Under the hood sits a muscular 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. But crucially, this combustion engine has absolutely zero mechanical connection to the wheels. It doesn't drive the truck. Its sole, dedicated purpose is to act as a high-efficiency onboard generator, constantly feeding that battery pack when your charge drops during grueling overland expeditions. Because the 2C battery can dump 33.3 kilowatts of power on demand, the transition between pure electric cruising and high-load power generation is seamlessly smooth. There is no waiting for turbo lag to build up. You press the pedal, the battery delivers the initial electrical surge instantly, and the generator provides the endurance to push past a total combined range of over 1,000 kilometers. When you throw this truck into deep sand, thick mud, or jagged rocky trails, this technical evolution completely changes the game. By pairing instant dual-motor torque with specific terrain modes like mud and sand, the Hunter K50 manages traction with digital precision. When a wheel loses grip on a loose surface, the system doesn't rely on slow mechanical linkages to lock up. Instead, it precisely alters the electric current millisecond by millisecond. Combined with a robust 220 millimeters of ground clearance and heavy-duty underbody protection, the K50 behaves with absolute permanence on the trail. The instant 33.3 kilowatts electrical delivery ensures that even at absolute 0 miles per hour, you have maximum torque available to crest obstacles without momentum. It turns technical off-roading into a calm, calculated, and silent exercise in spatial physics. So, what is the final diagnosis? Has the 2026 Changan Hunter K50 truly evolved? Absolutely. Changan didn't just build a lifestyle truck with an electric badge. They focused heavily on the core electrical bottlenecks that make traditional EVs fail in the real world. By unlocking a 2C discharge rating and hitting that 33.3 kilowatts power threshold, they have given this range-extended Bakkie the instant muscle and mechanical durability required for genuine utility work and serious off-road deployment. It successfully bridges the gap between hyper-efficient electric drive and rugged, long-distance overlanding permanence. Hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.